flashes on. Okay, so just turn the flash down. Okay, she's recording now. Alright, cool.
Hola, niños.
Hola, niños. Hola, niños. ¿Cómo están en este día?
Hola, mija.
En este día bien chula, bonita, preciosa.
Mugrosa.
Hola. Hola.
Okay, we need to get started. They do not. They
Alright.
don't
So this is
Is that
for...
skateboard?
Yeah.
Qué bonito.
That's it. This is for Mimi,
Khaleesi,
and Elizabeth. And Nate, Nathan, Mateo. So, yeah, this is a video very near and dear to me for you guys.
From the bottom of our heart.
I'm gonna open Secret Santa. But what was I gonna say?
Imagine this can't pick up audio.
Qué chido, qué chido, qué chido, qué chido,
wait,
qué chido, qué chido, qué chido, qué chido. Ay, güey.
Me too.
Okay, that's kind of embarrassing.
Well,
If I was looking up before, I'm sorry. I know I'm not a YouTuber,
Yeah.
so you guys need to bear with us.
I'm a.
Manzana.
So this is from Mimi. Mimi got me this.
I'm sure I don't know about it.
It's very. Okay. Anyway.
Imagine
If this doesn't pick up audio, I'm gonna have to do it all over again. An extra surprise.
Imagine it's a bag of lice.
You get me the scissors. Actually, I have scissors over here, but I just want to use those. Okay. She got some tape. She did.
She taped it up.
Almost. Okay. She taped it on. Oh. Okay. Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. It's like, okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh, I feel closed. It sucks. Yes. Oh my God, they're really long. I'm gonna have to see if these will fit, cause my cankles and my calves said no. But they're really cute. They got flamingos or whatever.
You wear them and show them off to everyone.
Yeah. Cause all my pants are way too short for me anyway. So, I don't even. What's this? It's a squishy! Oh my God. Oh, let me. Oh wait, I didn't even show you. Okay, so these are the socks. They got like flamingos and snowflakes. But it's squish. Do you see the squish?
She got that ASMR.
Hold on. We're gonna pause the royalty-free music. Hold on. It's it's a sloth. I love sloths. They're like really cute or whatever. And they always have long nails. You know? But just like get some of the squish action. Like that's pretty slow rising. That is pretty slow rising, let me tell you. It smells like foam.
Girl, what else would it smell like?
It's like
Sloth?
So I can like whenever I'm like stressed or whatever. So I'll be using this a lot. That's really cute. Thanks, Mimi. What else we got? This is a plastic bag. This is literally a plastic. She gave me that boulder storage. Empty. I mean, thanks. I'll use it.
It's so that you can put your hair in there and give it to
I
me.
can put my phone in it and bring my phone in the shower. It's for. Thanks a lot.
You can take it to the beach and get some underwater footage.
Wow. Ziploc? Damn. She splurged.
She got you that Louis Vuitton bag.
Anyway, oh my God, I need to stop taking peeks. But anyway, this is something else. I knew there was going to be something Romanian. Rum chocolate, rum,
Get chulo.
secure chocolate. It tells me how to open it, because I need instructions anyway. It's 70% cacao. Okay. That's this is going to be some quality chocolate. It's It smelled like chocolate.
I was one as well.
I don't know. Anyway, next. She got me.
What? I can't see it.
She got me. Okay. Oh wait, no, there's okay.
Oh, I'm just saying.
These are pomegranates. I love pomegranates.
We're gonna have a recreation of that last video.
I won't cry this time, I swear. But they're pomegranate earrings. One of them is like a whole pomegranate, and the other one is like pomegranates open. Okay, and then she's got me these little spoons. They remind me of the Lana Del Rey.
The crack.
These are real cute. I love that. Oh. Oh my god. I'm gonna wear them. I'm about to try them on later for the video. Anyway, she got me something else too.
For a second, I thought this was Sans.
This is a Christmas card. I'm gonna have to open that next. I love that they're literally okay. I'll have to open that last. This is a grow your own toy.
What is it?
It looks like a cat. The Christmas tree. It's supposed to like it'll like water and then it'll like get bigger. It's like a little cat and he's in a little bowl, like he's about to get eaten. And it's like and it's got like a little Christmas tree hat. That's really cute. I can't wait to see it. I think my favorite part so far is the plastic bag.
The Louis V.
So versatile. Anyway, what else we? She got me. These are. These are like the little the papers. You know, like they have the anime ones, so like you can hang them.
Oh, I said it.
Sonó la campana y el fin de semana se deja ver. Ay, 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 vestido de traje, locura salvaje bajo mi piel. Si Dios puso la manzana fue para morder. Ay, Dios, pequemos salvacitos hasta amanecer. Llegó la fiesta, hasta tu boquita, toda la noche, todito el día. Vamos a que la marea está picadita, una mordida, de tu boquita, una mordidita, de tu boquita. Tus labios, mis dientes, bocado crujiente, rico pastel. Fuego en tu piel, tu cuerpo decía tequila y miel. Si Dios puso la manzana fue para morder. Ay Dios, pequemos abracitos hasta amanecer. Oh, llegó la fiesta, a tu boquita, toda la noche, todito el día. No, sin orillita, que la madera está picadita, una mordidita, de tu boquita, una mordidita, de tu boquita. Quiero que no es real, me parece natural de tal. Necesito frenar. No voy a frenar cuando pones.
I can't speak Spanish that quickly.
Te parece presión sin bajar la presión. Estoy contigo bien demente. Déjame morderte. En la oscura y el silente. Déjame morderte bien despacito y bruscamente. Amarillito, bien demente, llegó la fiesta, pa' tu boquita, toda la noche, todito el día, vamos a bañarnos en la orillita, que la marea está picadita, una mordidita. I was on the morning announcements, girl. Oh my god, that was so good. I love that.
You should open the other thing.
Oh, I don't want to see the card. I love this card. Actually, she might have already told me about the present, so yeah, I'll open it first. Oh my god, I literally She did so. I knew she was gonna do good. I had high expectations for Maria, and she still went above and beyond. That's literally so.
Miss me.
Wow, I love my wife. Anyway, so now we have this one. I'm real scared. I don't know what it is. She put it in the bag. She loves bags. It's really.
Imagine it's. I was about to imagine it's another plastic bag, but no.
I didn't know what it was, but now I get the numb. I've had this for a couple days, so it must be right by now. I'm not gonna cry this time, I swear. But literally, she got me a pomegranate. I haven't had a fruit in so long, y'all. So I will be
She malnourished or whatever.
yeah, she's feeding me my nutrients or whatever. This is really cute. And pomegranates ain't cheap. Let me tell you. Oh my god. Smells like pomegranate. It's so good,
Girl.
Oh my god, she did so good. And then let me show you the little. She made me a little card, and it has. She drew. There's Yuri, and like Kawa and Tamara and Akemi. Yeah, and it says Merry Christmas. Oh my god, she did so good. I mean, with all her little bullet journals, she's got a lot of practice. She said, there's like little like gifts and whatever in there. She said, oh, she drew me. But let me show you. Merry Christmas, wifey. I can't believe it's been over a year since we started being friends. You are so funny, and you never fail to put a smile on my face. I'm so happy that I've gotten to watch you embrace who you are and find yourself in our friend group. Hopefully in 2021 we will have more picnics. Love you, Maria. I'm not good at drawing, but I tried drawing you like while practicing. Okay. This is a cute drawing of me. Look at that. This is real cute. Can you even see? I don't even know if it's focused. Hello? Hello?
This camera be bugging.
She's
tweaking.
But that's such a cute little I look real cute. I love she did a really good job of curly hair. I know curly hair is not super easy to draw. I really love it because she made them look like gingerbread cookies, and I made them into gingerbread cookies, which is literally. This will also be. Sí, qué chula, mija, qué bueno lo hiciste. This will also be going on my wall. I really cannot
put it up with it.
Oh, okay, that's real cute. That was so good. I'm literally like, I'm obsessed. Like.
Now you're really gonna have to marry her.
That's a surprise, but okay. I love this.
I can't wait until we look at this recording and you couldn't hear any of the audio.
¿Edad que sí, comadre?
So much.
We'll have to do a voiceover.
It's like another line.
I know.
Every time I talk, it's just like, que chido.
We'll be like, wait, what did we say here?
No, every time I open my mouth, it's just like, que chido.
No mames, way. Okay, so little overview. She got me a bunch of this little anime ones.
I hope you hold it up.
The pomegranate and the socks. The grow your own toy. The squish. Yeah, that wasn't satisfying.
I'm gonna go get one of the chocolates.
Oh yeah, show us what Emily got you.
Oh yeah, Emily wasn't even supposed to give me anything because I didn't participate in Secret Santa. But anyways, we got this bracelet, and it has like the Scorpio symbol. I don't know.
The audience, girl.
I don't think you can see it, but it's like a little.
It's got like a little. It's got the Scorpio. Can I like? Hola guapos, but we messed up the footage. No se ve. No lo tengo. Ya
La cámara de Yasmin, like it's really broken.
Sí, está muy. It's very ¿cómo se dice? Como.
Chistosa.
Muy tonta.
Pero but Emily is a simp for me. That's all
she le dio ese bracelet de Scorpio.
Me dio como unos chocolates ahí.
Yeah, no, whatever. Pero shout out to la keka. Period.
For giving us candy, overpriced candy.
Bring back the Mickey Mouse piñatas, please. Pero, WhatsApp.
Oh,
Hit us
dale un
up on
like.
WhatsApp, en el
Yeah.
WhatsApp, en el Face.
Danos un like, suscríbete.
Comment down below si quieres ir a la Walmart y en mi pinche en mi troquita que no quema.
De 2005.
Pero suscríbete, dale un like, ponle un comment y comment your
Mándatelo a todos tus amigos si tienes.
comment si quieres que pongamos un video de anime, aunque no lo quieras lo vamos a poner, pero pues,
vamos a hacer unos videos de ese del picnic o lo que sea.
suscríbete para que puedas ver todo eso, but like subscribe so you can watch or whatever.
Subscribe, we'll give you like una cachetada. Girl, you need to.
Okay. Pero like we love the gifts. Mwah, it was real great. These didn't fit because my calves said no.
sorry, Maria.
Perdón, pero it didn't work. I'll probably like cut them and make them my own, but I love the sentiment. Pero dale un like, un comment, un subscribe.
Gracias.
We should put some music over this.
No te me subas al coco, no. No te me subas al coco, no. No, nena, no, al coco, no, al coco, no.
Stop.
Vamos
Okay.
a bailar.
Bye. Okay. ¿Cómo se?
We need to kill ourselves.